In this video, I'll show you how to enable 2FA Authenticator app on Fortnite. This video is really for educational purposes, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the very first step for you to do, you need to download the Authenticator app. So I've downloaded mine, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to open my Fortnite. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on accounts. I'm going to wait for it to load up. So what I need to do now, I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to click on password and security. Yeah, so I'm going to go up. So you can be able to see available methods. So I'm going to click on Authenticator app. I'm going to click on setup. I'm going to click on continue. So what I need to do now, I need to go to my Authenticator and get. Okay, so I'm going to go. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so you can see right now, I just added my Authenticator. So you can see it has been correctly added up. So if you followed my instruction, you can be able to see I can be able to add up or enable 2FA Authenticator app on Fortnite. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.